Well, it has been just over 4 weeks now since 3 University of Virginia football players were killed on campus. And today, the family of one of the victims is sharing a powerful message. NBC News senior national correspondent Kerry Sanders is joining us now with that story. Hi, Kerry.
There have been an astounding more than 600 mass shootings in the country this year, and one of them, as you noted just a month ago, 3 University of Virginia football players who were shot and killed. A total of 5 people were shot in that incident. And now the family of one of those who was shot and killed, one of those football players, is speaking out. And they're also urging other football players in high school, college, and NFL to use their celebrity to draw attention to what is all too often a deadly mix: guns and mental health problems. In Miami today, the Perry family sharing their grief with the nation.
This is heartbreaking right now.
Deshaun Perry was one of 3 University of Virginia football players gunned down 4 weeks ago. All had been on that bus as they just arrived back on campus.
Until we join together, this will not stop happening.
His parents and lawyer sat down with NBC News Wednesday in an exclusive interview.
I'm broken.
Deshaun's mother, a postal employee.
Very intelligent young man.
His father, a former corrections officer. Deshaun's mother had been on the phone just moments before the shooting.
His cell phone had gone dead.
Twitter then lit up. Active shooter at UVA. You found out from social media?
Yes, that there was an active shooter at the school.
But you had no idea?
No. So in my mind, his cell phone had gone dead, and I was just waiting for the call.
What was that waiting period like?
Dreadful, to say the least.
Hours of waiting, and then at 2:30 a.m., campus police rang their home.
Everything just stopped for me. And just to hear her cry was just was another cry. It wasn't the same cry as losing a child.
The alleged gunman, a student and former UVA football player. So far, police have no motive. Your son was aware of violence.
Yes.
He wrote, with all the shootings and police violence on minorities, you have to have a sense of light inside of you.
That's who he was. Well, that's who he is. Everywhere he went, he wanted to leave a little bit of his light.
Represented so many gun violence victims.
The family attorney, Michael Haggard.
You know, it's going to hit every household. It's going to be like cancer, where we all know someone. And are we really going to allow it to get to that point? Is this country really going to do that? Are we not the America who solved all these problems before? And that's the challenge.
One semester shy of graduation, and now another family in our country in a fight they did not want.
I had just gotten off the phone with him.
So much grief for these families, I know, Kerry. Has Perry's parents talked about how they plan to keep their son's memory alive? Well, you heard Deshaun's mother there, Happy, say that she started to say was, and then she said is. Both Sean, the father, and Happy say that they are going to continue to speak in the present tense and that they're relying on their faith that their son is still with them, but also in a better place. And also, as they enter the holidays, they know that this will be a particularly difficult time, not only the loss of a son, which is devastating, but at the holiday family gatherings, Deshaun was known to be the gregarious center of attention, the one that was the most entertaining for the family. So just devastating loss, again, from gun violence in this country that, as we noted, so far no explanation as to why. We have to hope that their good memories will sustain them a bit through the holidays for sure. Kerry Sanders for us today. Kerry, thank you.